How to delete watched reels on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete watched reels on Instagram. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the profile section, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the settings section, you simply have to scroll down and there you'll see the option labeled as your activity. So just tap on it. And now here in this section, if you scroll down, there you'll see the option labeled as watch history. So just tap on it. And now here on the next section, you'll see the list of all the videos that you have watched before on Instagram. So here, if you want to delete the watched reels, what you have to do is you just have to tap on select option, which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you have done that, you just have to select the video that you want to delete from your watch history. And now here, once you have selected the particular video, you can just tap on remove button, which can be seen in the bottom of the screen. So here you can just tap on remove and confirm it by tapping on remove again. And that's it. That's how you can delete watch reels on Instagram. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.